Welcome back to Unbiased Unboxings, and here it is, the Ninja Woodfire Collapsible Grill Stand. I found this at Target. If you're looking for this, please check the Target website every morning. I found it about 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time a few days ago for $150 versus $200 at the Ninja website. Box arrived kind of beat up via UPS, so I was a little worried, but the actual stand was packaged pretty well. You see the masking tape and a couple pieces of cardboard, and it was in that plastic bag. And inside that plastic bag was the instruction booklet. I'm looking at that a little bit, and I'll bring it in close up for you guys so you can see how you're actually gonna set the stand up. But before we can get there, we've got to get all this tape off. And I'm going to speed up the video so you don't have to be bored watching me fight with the masking tape. I had not seen that tape in quite a while. I grew up using that tape, but my goodness, that was years ago. But it did help the item arrive securely and undamaged. So, can't complain. And here it is. You just set it down. You have to make sure you have it down low enough, and definitely use your foot there like I did to steady it, and it snaps into place like that. Still have two more pieces of masking tape that I have to get off, and I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to get them on to speed up the video. Don't want to bore you with that. That last piece right here was the booger. It took quite a few minutes to get that off, and it came out in different pieces, of course, not just one unwrapped piece. But there it is. It's all the tape's off. I'm putting the Ninja Woodfire in there, and you see how those back feet fit down in there. You gotta make sure you have it in there. I noticed it wasn't in there. Now it snaps in. Saw that little bit of dust on there. Shaking it a little bit to make sure it's steady, and it is. I'm going to get the cord out of the way, and then I'm going to turn the unit around so you can see it from the front. Got the box out of the way as well. And you'll see the front feet lock into place too on the Ninja Woodfire. So I really like that. It makes it really sturdy on the stand. And those two wheels help quite a bit, because Ninja makes two different stands for the Ninja Woodfire. One is what I have here with the wheels on it, and the other has no wheels, just 4 legs, stationary legs. But I chose the one with the wheels because I want to be able to take my grill in and out of the house. Now I want to figure out what I want to do with the cord, and I decided to wrap it a couple times through one of the handles. Make sure it is steady and sturdy on there. Those 3 little pegs right there in front of me are for your barbecue utensils. You know, you can hang a spatula or fork or whatever there, so that's pretty handy. I do wish though that Ninja had put some kind of cord wrap on it for the cord. That would have been handy. But there it is, guys, and I actually love this unit.